Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Ford Explorer with its keypad. First, you'll need to find your vehicle's 5-digit factory code. This code is often printed on a card in your owner's manual. You might also find a sticker with the code on the driver's side door jamb, or sometimes even on the trunk lid or under the dashboard. Knowing this code is the first crucial step to gaining access. Once you have your 5-digit factory code, using it is simple. To unlock just the driver's door, simply enter the full 5-digit code. If you need to unlock all the doors, enter the 5-digit factory code and then press the 5-6 button within 5 seconds. Remember, this factory code is permanent and cannot be changed, so keep it in a safe place. Now let's create your own personal 5-digit code for convenience. First, enter the factory code. Then, within 5 seconds, press the 1-2 button. Next, enter your desired new 5-digit personal code. To confirm, re-enter your new personal code. This new code will now unlock your vehicle, offering a more memorable option than the factory code. Using your personal code is just like using the factory code. Enter your 5-digit personal code to unlock the driver's door. To unlock all doors, enter your personal code, then press the 5-6 button within 5 seconds. You can also delete your personal code if needed. Always keep both your factory and personal codes confidential to ensure your vehicle's security.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.